Hello and welcome to part 2 of the lowering the Polo even more TA Technix are they a waste of time video. It's the next morning, it's the next day since I've done the rears. I'm just going to drop the car down onto the road to see if they've settled overnight, to see what they look like now. And then in today's video I'm going to be getting the angle grinder out on the front springs, so yeah, watch this space. Okay, here we go. Okay, maybe it has gone down a bit. It has gone down a bit overnight. Still not as much as I want, to be fair, but it does seem to have gone down a bit. There's definitely a little bit more tuck on the back there. Okay, I think I might be able to work with this. Let's have a look at the other side. Same, isn't it? I think I might be able to work with this. We'll see. Let's get the fronts done and see how it looks overall, I think. Yeah, let's get the fronts done and see how it looks overall. Here we go again. Oh. Now, you can see in here, you've got this shape here that the coil sits in. I want to keep that, so when that's down, I'm thinking one entire coil. So if I cut that right there, that should be enough. I'm not brave enough to cut it while it's still in, but I am going to have to take this off.
One hour later. 2 hours later. Eventually.
Yay! Right, let's get the angle grinder in here. Take one whole ring out, put it back together. It's playtime. Right, safety first. I'm going to do one exact coil there, right there, okay? There we have it, one coil out. Let's clean up the end. Clean up the end quick. Use a little bit of etch prime on it because I don't want these rusting. There's a brand new spring, so if I use a little bit of etch prime on the end. There you go. If I had some red paint, I'd do that, but that's fine. A little bit of etch prime on the end, just a bit rusting. Put it back together. Get you seated in that again. Was it that way? I forgot. Yeah, it's got to be that way. It's not going to be that way, is it? That doesn't make any sense. No, it doesn't make any sense that way. Does it? Oh no, it is that way. Is it that way? No. Can't be that way. I've forgotten which way it goes. Oh, it's not that way, is it? Because that's got to sit on there. Okay, that's fine. It's that way. That's perfect. Right, so that goes on there. That goes on. Ow! That goes on there. Let's get this back on there. Don't need to compress the spring now, do I? go. Job's a good one. Let's put it back together. It'll need driving in and out. Okay, here we go again. I've only done one side at the front. Took it up the road and back, jumped on the bonnet. I've been bouncing on the bonnet. I've been driving it around left-hand turns to try and get it to settle a bit. It might settle a little bit, but I swear it's the same again. I swear it's not moved. Look, is that moved? Am I losing the plot? That's not moving, is it? If it is, we're talking millimeters. I suppose it is looking a bit better, I suppose, but yeah. I'm also thinking of painting the wheels a different colour again. Welcome to the world of ADHD. You decide to change your mind every 10 minutes, no matter what the cost. Right, okay, let's get it back in and do the other side. There we go. Well, there we have it. It is. I've taken it for a long drive. I wouldn't call it slammed. We got a bit of tuck on the back there. I've took it around corners really fast. There's no rubbing of the front. Well, I thought the front wheels might rub, but they actually don't. I'm still not sure if I'm happy with how low it is. You can't really see in this light. Let's get around this side. Yeah. So that's as low as that front's going to go without rubbing on corners. I could go lower, you know. For now, I think that'll do for now. For now, that will do, I think. I'll concentrate on the body and the paint next, I think. But yeah, this is not the end of this whole stance scenario. It's not the end of it. Still doesn't look bloody low to me, even though I've just cut the springs. So I may take another coil another day when I can be bothered. So anyway, there we have it. That's front springs cut. It's still not low, is it? It's slowly going down, but it's taking ages, little bits at a time. I don't want to go too far. The back wheels do rub just a tiny little bit on the inside. I need to figure out which part that is. I think it's only this side that does it. Seems to only be this wheel. Let's have a look on the tyre. Where is it? It's just on that. Nothing major. But there we go. Right. I'm going to go and take it for a drive and have a bit of fun. Thanks for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. The next one should be body customizations and all that stuff. So yeah, see you in the next one.